Hi everyone. I am here today to make some cookies for you, and I've had some questions about using the regular cookie sheet versus the stoneware, so I thought I would come on and do a little experiment with you. I made some oatmeal chocolate chip cookies per my husband's request, and I am going to do some of them on the cookie sheet and some of them on the stoneware so we can do a comparison and see how they look different maybe when they come out of the oven. So before we do that, I'm going to talk a little bit about a couple of the products that I'm going to be using today. One of them is our cookie scoops. We have 3 different sizes: the small, medium, and large. 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons, and 3 tablespoons. So depending on what you are making, that will determine which cookie sheet or cookie scoop that you're going to use. These have a 1-year warranty. They are stainless steel, and if I use the small one, the 1 tablespoon one, a lot for my mini muffin pan. It's perfect amount. The 2 tablespoon one I like to use for cookies, and my 3 tablespoon one, or the large one, I would use for like meatballs, something like that. Now the recipe that I made said to drop by tablespoonfuls, which would be the small cookie scoop. That's probably not going to work very well in my house because those are too small of cookies. So we're going to go with the medium size so that you can take a look at that. So I have my oven preheated already, and we're going to make some cookies on both of the sheets. Unfortunately, I don't have a convection oven, and my oven is not wide enough to do both of them at the same time. So I'm going to bake these, and after both pans are out, I will come back on live so that I can show you the difference in what they look like. So the stoneware, it doesn't matter if you're using the cookie sheet stoneware or if you're using maybe the round or the rectangular one. I have the rectangular one. I don't have the cookie sheets, but they're all the same. They're made out of the same material, and our stoneware has a 3-year warranty. It doesn't have a lifetime warranty. Some people think that, but it has a 3-year warranty. It is safe for the microwave, the oven, and your freezer. Although you don't want to do extreme temperatures. You don't want to take something out of the freezer that's on a piece of stoneware and then plop it right into a hot oven, because it will crack. So you need to let it adjust to the temperature that you are using. One of the things about our stoneware is that it should be hand washed. It's not one that you can put in the dishwasher. And the recommendation is that you rinse it off. I just use a little scrubber. You can use the pan scraper that comes with every piece of stoneware, which is used to scrape things off. And then I just use like a scratch pad to clean anything else off. And then this is our cookie sheet. You can buy them individually, or there is a set of 2. And that is made of aluminized steel. And this is also oven, broiler, and freezer safe. I should mention too that stoneware, we do have a personal size piece of stoneware, and that also will fit into the air fryer and works good there too. So that even makes your food crispier. The stoneware cookie sheet and the metal cookie sheet, both of them have a little lip on the edge, so it makes it easier to take them out of the oven. So I am going to put these in the oven. I'm going to have to adjust my baking time because my cookies are a little bit bigger than what the recipe is calling for. And I will be back to show you the difference between them. So if you have any questions between now and when I come back on, please post them under this video, and I will get to them and answer those questions for you, whether it's stoneware, bakeware, or any of the other products that I have out here. So just put a question underneath the video. So I'll be back in a little bit.